Early this morning around 4 a.m., the Ratachera Anti-Infiltration Unit, in collaboration with Umkiang PPP staff, conducted a vehicle check at Ratachera as part of an operation targeting illegal migrants. During the inspection, a night super bus with registration number AS12E6399 travelling from Silchar was stopped. Upon checking, officials discovered 7 soap boxes containing a yellowish-orange powder. Preliminary tests confirmed the substance as heroin with a total weight of about 79 grams. A criminal case under the NDPS Act is being initiated against the interstate trafficker. The arrested individual has been identified as 36-year-old Mohammad Siraj Ali from Forest Colony, Polo in Shillong.